Hello everyone, it is Andrea and this is the second time I am filming this video because I forgot to turn on my overhead camera and it really wouldn't be helpful for you to see this video and only see this. Very unhelpful, very not great, but we're gonna go ahead and refilm this and hope for the best that I don't mess anything else up. Will it happen? Who knows? Let's go ahead and get into it. First things first is I want to mention that these two items that are available now are going to be on special pricing through Sunday. So if you want to save a couple of bucks on them, I would definitely pick them up now. First things first is we do have the doodle color of the week, which is violet. Perfect purple for Halloween season, all the things. Second thing is going to be the new foil bundle. This one is going to be on super sale. Not because there's anything wrong with it, just because it's gold. Like, it can go with everything. So you might want to pick up a bazillion of them. I don't know. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one on extra sale because it is confetti. It'll go with everything. It's gold. It'll go with almost everything. The last thing I want to talk to you about that we have a time-sensitive moment on is going to be the pop culture kit for this week. I'm doing things in all different order because might as well. Second time filming this. I'm switching it up for myself. So we do have Scream here, and Scream is a exclusive art set that you will not find anywhere else. And I am obsessed. I had never watched Scream prior to doing the mood board for this, and I think it turned out fantastic. So this is a reformatted art. It already has been available, but whenever I asked on Instagram what y'all wanted to see reformatted, this was one of the top Halloween kits to be requested to come back. So this is going to be the Scream kit. It will be available in Ultimate and Mini, and then there will be the add-on options as well. Some of those were not available before, so if you already have this kit and you haven't used it, you might want to pick up some of the add-on options, whether it's the scribblers or the pattern boxes, ombre heart checklists, what may have you. So we do have all 6 of the scribblers as well as the label and the ombre, and then the doodle, and then the doodle 2. Of course, mini kit. So that's only available through Sunday. After Sunday, not available. I figured I might as well mention them. Is the September mystery add-on items available in shop currently, will be available through September. Also want to mention that we do have the new squad samplers, which you can pick up in the new release section, or whenever you're building your order and it gets to $75, it'll prompt you to pick one for free. So that is very exciting. And then the freebies for this month, we do have the all orders freebie, which has the Screamathon journaling card with some foil bits. The $150 freebie is always a random foil bundle, and then the $300 freebie is always a random ultimate kit. And then, like I said, for the $75 freebie, you'll be able to select between the new squad samplers. For real now, nothing else is time sensitive. These are limited quantities though, so maybe I'm lying. So we do have Flower and Thumper vinyls this week. Again, very limited quantities, but I love them. They're so cute. I just think Thumper is like the most fabulous. The next thing is a random thing that I wanted to release, but this is Dusty Lavender Solid boxes. And I wanted to make these because I had it in mind for this kit, which came out a while ago. It was actually a mystery from last year, but this is the July Mystery 2023, or I think it's called Witchy Home or something like that. And the colors are all like kind of darker, so I thought that'd be fun to do this lavender color that you can kind of see throughout with a Planet Hannah overlay in like a dark green. I think would be really pretty. Or I have the leaves with this as well as the Planet Hannah book in green. Then we do have 2 kits this week along with the Scream kit. This is Autumn Isle, which is the autumn colorway of the wedding art that came out this year. And it is really pretty, gorgeous colors, very fall vibes, but could also kind of be like spring, winter, whatever. It's just pink and green and a red. It's beautiful. I really like it. Super pretty. I think I did like change up the boxes. I didn't look at the other ones like prior to doing it, and it's been a while, so I think they might be a little different. So change it up. I think this would be really pretty with gold or champagne lights. Pick up that confetti version 2 that's going to be releasing on the discount, save a couple of bucks. So add-on options that are going to be available is we do have the fam options, all 6 of those. We do have the scribbler options, all 6 of those. There is the fashion boxes, which has the tuxedo as well as the flat lay. And then you do have ombre, pattern, label 2, as well as doodle and doodle 2. As you can tell, everything's backwards here, but we're just working with it. Then the last kit for this week is a reformat. It is a mystery reformat, and it was one of the faves from last year, and this one is Mystic Haven, and it is a gorgeous celestial, homey kind of vibes, like kind of like office-y, library, witchy, celestial, crystals, all the vibes. I think this one would be really pretty with sparkly hollow and champagne lights mixed together, but would also be really pretty with lavender hollow in that mix as well. So you have a lot of options, or like a deep purple, a navy. Freebie and Ultimate Mini is a tall box, and there is fam coming, so there's lots and lots of that as far as the fashions go. And then on the full box page, most of the kit is the same, but the full box page, I did change the hair color of the 2 fashions there. It does also come in a mini kit. As far as add-on options, we do have all 6 of the fan boxes here. I love this outfit. It's so pretty. We also have all 6 of the scribblers. There is the label and ombre. There is the label 2 as well as the pattern boxes. And then there is doodle and doodle 2. And that is everything for our normal planner releases. I will go into the journaling releases. So if you are not interested in those, thank you so much for watching. But if you are, which I'm so excited to show you these. So let's go ahead and get into them. So first things first is I do have some deco sheets. We got a lot. So let's go ahead and flip through these. So we have Aliens 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Astronaut, Creepy Treats 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. As well as Crystal Witch 1 and 2, Halloween Unicorn, Halloween 1, 2, Midnight Moths, Mists and Magic, Pink Halloween 1, 2, 3, and 4, as well as Poison Witch, Pumpkin Spice 1 and 2, Pumpkins 1 and 2, as well as Rainbow Crystals. So I think that is like 26 more deco sheets. We already have over 50 in shop, so this is just going to be additional, and I am so excited to use these in my bullet journal as well as my reading journal. They have been really aiding me in my layouts, and I did do a flip through of my reading journal thus far, and you can see a lot of them that I released previously used there, and I think they look super cute and are great accents to all my spreads. Then we're going to go into some more sheets. I was only planning on doing a deco release this week, but then I got inspired. So let's go ahead and go through this setup here of all of the different sheets that I will be releasing. A lot of the requests have been for more bullet journaling stickers, but also things that will also aid you in your reading journal. I feel like they could be very easily meshed together. So the first thing that was requested was a large monthly calendar. So this one here, I did show on Instagram like my finished little spread, but this is what I used here. And you have your boxes for the days of the month, and then you have the monthly headers over here, as well as some circle date dots. Now, there is going to be a version 2 of this. When you order this, it will come with both pages. There is a version 2 of this that does have a light grid throughout. It's the same darkness grid-wise as far as our box stickers go, like box 1, long box 4 type stickers. So that is going to be version 2 if you want that grid on there still. And then I also did make a medium monthly, and this one has an extra row so you could put the days of the week. You could also always trim it however you like, the days of the week, and then there is the 31 date numbers down below that you can plop in there as well. I initially was going to do this on the like monthly page, which I'll show you in a second, but I ended up changing it up just because I did do a poll on Instagram and was like Monday through Sunday, Sunday through Saturday, and it was kind of like more split than I would have liked it to bend. So I decided to do it this way so that you can just buy these for the months that you need and then customize it however you like, or even if you want to do it Tuesday through Monday, you could do you. So that is going to be the kind of monthly base, as well as these monthly sampler kind of like headers, which will kind of go along with anything. You can use them in your reading journal, your bullet journal, the monthly, the weeklies, lots of things. There's 3 different fonts here. If you want them bigger, let me know and I can do that in a future release. I also did do like a little monthly kit for the month of September, and I'm sure that this is going to change up and evolve a lot, but this is kind of the starting point. I'm very much a perfectionist and I like having everything perfect from the first shot, but it's just not going to happen. So we're going to evolve and just kind of be aware of that. So first thing that I wanted to show you is the the September page. So my idea with this is that this is kind of like the September layout. These are all individual pages that I'm going to show you. You can buy them a la carte, or you could buy one and like use it as just deco. So this is the September page. This is the only thing that's going to have anything September related on it. So if you wanted to use the Princess Academia set for a different month, you could do so. And you wouldn't need the September things. So you have a large month here and a smaller month here. You have some cut out scripts here with different September items, as well as some boxes that fit perfectly down here with different holidays and days and things like that, and some other September reminders and awareness ribbons. And then I did switch out, like I said, there was a calendar here, but again, I didn't want to do a dated calendar because it was too like half and half, so I decided to put in some quotes that kind of gave the vibes of the month. I thought that was very fun, but also could be switched out in the future. So if you also didn't want to do the Princess Academia theme, I also did go ahead and make it like a monochromatic sheet. So if you wanted to use deco sheets, or you wanted to draw everything, or you wanted to color everything in, or you just only want to do black and white, it's possible. So this is the same exact sheet, but everything is just black and white. I did go ahead and add like a slight stroke versus cutting it out. So you could color it in with whatever color you're using, or it's like light enough that I don't really think you would notice if you plopped that down on the page. So that is the monochromatic version, but I'll go ahead and continue showing you the like monthly spread sheets. I do want to do one other sheet. I don't know if I'll have it up prior to release or not. Hoping I will, as long as I get like enough like inspiration, but I want to do some kind of sheet that has like boxes that fit in here and like little labels like this that are blank, so that you can write in your own monthly items, and also some things that are like bill due, happy birthday, like different, maybe no school, like things that you might use more often in the month that are kind of like not September specific, if that makes sense. So then we have a large deco page. Princess Academia also does have two smaller deco pages, just so you can see kind of the difference in size. And then these are obviously different. It's a different layout. So that just has some of the larger deco bits. And then I also have some pattern sheets here that have just different like fun edged, not just like regular squares, deco bits. Some of them have like straight edges and then like rips for like corners. Super cute. And then a request was like washi strips. So again, these have more of a like rough cut edge and then straight edges on the top and bottom. There's different sizes as well as widths. So that is super cute. And also you could obviously cut them however you like. And then the last thing that I have to show you is the frames. So how these are cut out, have the white on the outside, and then on the inside you have the cut along the black, so that you can put a picture underneath it if you'd like, or you can just use them like paired with these to kind of like put your to read in the middle of it. You could even put some of like these checklists on the inside and like just cut them for how big you need them. You could do one like here and cut out 4 and stick it in there for different lists and things like that. But I did do a solid and then a pattern, and then I had like room in the middle. I might switch this out for deco in the future, but I just did like a little box with a stroke in the middle because there obviously wasn't a lot of room to add a picture frame in the middle of that. But that is everything for this week. Let me know if you have any requests, whether it is planner stickers or like reading journal stickers. Let me know in the comments down below, or you can send me an email, message me on Instagram, however you would like to communicate that. I do have a very, very long list going, so if you've given me an idea that I haven't done, don't worry, I haven't forgot about you. I'm just still working through everything, but I just feel like so inspired, and it's been really fun, I think, because I feel like my like planner, like all these stickers, I feel like the format is like really good. It's been like evolved for 10 years, so I would hope so. But I feel like with this, it's like very like new, like I could do anything kind of vibes. And that's been very fun for like my creative brain to like kind of see how I want to format things and how I want to do things, and like kind of have like no like box that I have to fit within. Like I'm not like, oh, everything has to be 1.5 inches wide. I have no box. I can do whatever I want. So it's been really fun doing that. And I have been so excited that y'all have been liking it too. Like whenever I get an order with like the reading journal stuff, I'm like, oh, they like it. They really like it. And I get really excited. So yeah, thank you all for all of your suggestions though. They've been very, very helpful. And it's just been such a fun time, and I'm so glad y'all are loving it. I need to get back on my game with my videos though, because they've been a little bit all over the place. But I hope you like this video. I hope you're having a fabulous week. Everything's available now. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, subscribe please, and give me a like, and I will talk to you in my next video.